Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Jumia seller account and use it to sell your product or your e-commerce product. Now take for example, you have a personal business of yours and you are selling physical product. Okay, this could be fashion design, this could be anything. So far you are into a business that sells physical product. Now you can leverage the Jumia platform to sell your product for free. Now, Jumia is an e-commerce website that enjoys 8 million website visits on a monthly basis. So you listing your product on Jumia is going to expose your product to millions of people that is visiting the Jumia website on a monthly basis. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Jumia seller account, then use the website to sell and market your product for free. However, you do need to understand that you selling on Jumia, for every sales that Jumia is going to be making for you, they're going to charge a certain commission, and this commission ranges from 4% to 15% of the actual product fee. Then they also charge a flat fee for the delivery of your product. So take for example, Jumia helps you deliver a product. They are going to charge around 100 naira to 500 naira, or within 100 naira to 1000 naira for the particular product they are delivering for you. But for the seller fee, they charge within 4% to 15% of the product price. So other than that, you listing your product on Jumia is absolutely for free. Okay, and you listing your product is going to give you access to millions of customers that Jumia has already have. Okay, so if this is something you like to do, I want you to keep watching this video. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video, then subscribe to the YouTube channel in order for you to get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do now is to create an account with the Jumia Seller Center. I'm going to add a link to the actual website at the description of the video, or you can simply type sellercenter.jumia.com.ng. All right, so what we want to do now is we want to click on register to sell on Jumia. Okay, so once you've clicked that, it's going to pop up a screen like this, and what you want to do now is you want to scroll down, then click on sell on Jumia. So click on sell on Jumia and it's going to bring out the form. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to enter your shop name. So let's call this a test shop. Okay, test shop. Okay, so please select if you are an individual or a business entity. So make it an individual since you are an individual. So account manager, first name and last name. So this is going to be your name, so you can simply put your name here. All right, so make sure the name is actually the same as the name you have on your bank name. Okay, so account manager phone number, so you want to put your phone number right here. So put your phone number. If you have additional phone number, you can put it here, but it's not compulsory. So right here, you want to put your email address. All right, so put your email address here. Okay, so after that, you want to retype the email address. Okay, then come up with your password. Okay, so retype the password. Okay, so after that, you want to click on accept the e-contract Jumia Nigeria here. So after that, what you want to do, you want to click on continue. Okay, so it seems someone has already gotten the test job. So let me just put my name here, Olushola David shop. Okay, so we enter. Let me quickly re-enter my password. Let me re-enter the password here. Okay, so after that, I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so what you want to do now is to fill this form also. So the first one here, it says add business information referred by email or email of referral. Okay, you can just leave this one empty here. So do you already have a shop on Jumia? Okay, you can just click no, you don't have a shop. So if yes, what is the name of the shop? So you don't have a shop already. So if yes, would you like to open a new shop on Jumia? So you can just leave that. Okay, so if your company is registered, you can enter your company registered name here. If you have a registered company, you can just put the name of the country here. So now this is the most important part. Now this address should be in Lagos. So if you have any friends, if you are not in Lagos yourself, or you have any friends in Lagos that you can use the address, just try and use their address here, because if you do not use the address, if you do not use an address that is in Lagos, your account might not be approved, because currently Jumia only allows seller that are based in Lagos to sell on the platform. But that doesn't mean you have to be in Lagos. If you're not in Lagos, you can still sell on Jumia. Just make sure your address is in Lagos. Now the reason for this is because whenever you have an order, whenever you make a sale on Jumia, they would want you to bring the product, then drop it off at their Lagos center. Okay, so you have to do that. And if you don't want to be doing that, you can also leverage on their warehousing. So you can have your product shipped to their warehouse, and whenever you have an order, Jumia will be the people to package and deliver the product on your behalf. Okay, so enter your Lagos address here. So if you don't have a Lagos address, just chat any of your friends or family and use their address. Okay, so I'm going to change this to Lagos now, just for the sake of this video. So your country should be Nigeria, or wherever you are creating the account from. Okay, so business owner or legal representative middle name. Now this is going to be your name, so enter your name here. Okay, then enter your last name here too. Okay, so after that, business owner, legal representative ID type. Okay, so if you have a passport, national ID, voters card, any of this that you have, you can actually use this. Okay, so once you've indicated the one you want to use, you want to upload the file here. So click on select file to be able to upload this. I don't have any file here, so you can just click on this to upload the file in your own case. So if you are a business entity, select the number of the employees you have. You can just choose 1 to 3. Okay, so if your business is registered, like I said earlier, so you want to enter your CAC number here. Okay, then upload a copy of the CAC. If you don't have, that doesn't mean you cannot sell on Jumia. This is actually optional. Okay, so if you have your TIN, which is tax identity number, you want to enter it here, and if you don't have, fine, you can still sell on Jumia. So are you VAT registered? You can just leave this. Which country will you ship from? Okay, you are shipping from Nigeria, so choose your country. So your tax ID number, enter it here. Okay, so after that, what you want to do now is you want to click on this continue. All right, so add your bank account. You can actually do this from inside of your account once your account is created and approved. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to click on continue. So it's going to bring out the summary of everything we've created. So your seller ID is going to be ng blah blah blah. So your shop name is going to be the name of your shop, and if you have additional phone number, you should put it there. All right, so after that, what you want to do now is you want to click on start selling. Alright, so as you can see, thank you for signing up with us. An email has been sent to your email address. Please click on the provided link to verify your email address. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to go to the email address that you used to register. Click on the link, then start selling on Jumia. All right, so after you've logged into your account, now the next thing you want to do now is to start uploading the product, the pictures of the product you want to start selling on Jumia. If you are selling your own personal product, now I would suggest you have a photo shoot of the product you want to sell. Okay, so the photo of those products is what you're going to be uploading, then the product description, like the name of the product, details about the product, what the product does, and stuff like that. All right, so I'm going to copy a short video from Jumia themselves on how you can actually upload your product on the Jumia Seller Center and start selling. So once you've uploaded the product, you have to wait a while and let them approve the product. So once they approve the product, if the product is good to go, they're going to approve the product, and your product is going to be listed as part of the products that are on Jumia. So from there, you'll be able to be getting free customer for free using the Jumia website. All right, so I'm going to include the video right now. So as you can see now, this is basically how you can create a Jumia seller account, upload your product and start selling on Jumia. So once your product is approved, you'll be able to feature as part of the product you can see on the Jumia website. Okay, and people visiting Jumia can actually buy your product for free, and this is without you paying money to Facebook or to any other advertisement platform to market your product. So you can actually sell your product on Jumia for free. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share this video. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.